Hi everybody, David from Living Tech here. So I was looking for an affordable LED ring light. And by affordable, I mean less than, say, 150 US dollars. I wanted it to be dimmable and I wanted it to have a variable color temperature. I also thought it'd be nice to be able to network more than one together with remote. And I wanted a reasonable wattage. So by reasonable, I mean like over 50 watts. So anyway, I did some research and I came up with this one. It's from Pixel. It's a 55 watt 19-inch LED ring light, and it has a variable color temperature from 3000 to 5800 Kelvin. It's dimmable from 1 to 100%, and it comes with diffusers. It also comes with a stand, and I didn't have an extra stand. So this was beneficial to me. And yes, it can also be remote controlled. So you can have a network of several of these at once and control them with one remote control. So let's open this up. We'll see what they have to offer. I've tried their P20 professional LED light and really liked it. I was so impressed with what you get for the money that I just had to try another product from Pixel. So let's open this up. So it's reasonably light, very light actually, the package. I think that's it. That's easy. All right, so one big piece. Thing falling off, okay, good. Take everything out of the box first. Still got some weight in here. Guessing the stand is below here. Alright, I think we got that. Well, let's take a look at this first, I guess. Okay, this is the stand. It looks like it's all in one piece. Feels like aluminum. It's nice, actually. Okay, so I guess you set it to the height you want and tighten it up there. Okay, so it looks like it has a 1/4-20 mount on the top, screw on the top. Great, okay. Inside the accessories box is a power supply along with its power cable, a smartphone tripod mount that accommodates both portrait and landscape modes. As you'd expect, that mount has a 1/4-20 threaded hole at the bottom. A Velcro strap to affix the power supply and or cable, I guess, to the stand, and a bag containing a screwdriver and 3 pieces comprising a ball mount to which the smartphone tripod mount can be affixed, a landscape height hot shoe adapter, and a portrait height hot shoe adapter. This ensures that the camera of the smartphone can be located approximately in the center of the ring. Okay. All right. So 15-volt power supply, it's plugged in the wall already. So that's plugged in. Turn it on. Great, so it's a warm light that you see, and it says 3000 Kelvin, which is the lowest range. This looks just like the P20 Pixel light that I actually reviewed a couple of weeks ago. Percentage is seems to be the default. Maybe if you leave the color temperature, if you leave it on color temperature for more than 30 seconds or something, it defaults back to the brightness. I guess by default it's 100% brightness. As you can see, it goes down by 1 increment per click, all the way down to 1%. The P20 pixel LED light looked like this, and you push this, yeah, and the color temperature flashes. And then you can modify the color temperature. Just like the P20 light, it goes in 100 Kelvin increments, as you can see. So it gets very blue. Obviously, it goes up to 5800 Kelvin. And it gets very yellow when you bring it down to 3000. Okay, so I already really like this light, and I think I probably have enough understanding of what you're going to get for this light to give my final thoughts right now. What I like about it first, the stand, it's very stable. I'm really impressed, and I needed a stand for this and for other things as well. So that's super nice. I might actually even get a couple more of these stands. The power supply, obviously nothing to say about that. The blue LCD screen, I like it a lot better than the green, and it showed the green on the Amazon description. So one thing I would say is they should update the pictures on that description. I love how it's dimmable in 1% increments, and it is the color temperature is variable. 3000 is as warm as I would need. 5800 is as cool as I would need, so that's perfect. I'm looking forward to the remote control capability. They won't have the remote controls in, I think, for another month or two. So that's too bad, but we'll give that a try later. What else can I say? Okay, so those are the good things. This is a little less sturdy, I think, than one I currently use, which is right here. Okay, anyway, it's another inexpensive one, but this just seems to be a little bit more beefy than the one provided here. Same with the ball mount. These are together, these two devices, I think I paid, I don't know, $8 or $10 or something for the ones I like. So we're not talking anything significant here, and they work just fine. I just want to make sure I was clear about this. I'm not mounting the DSLR to the inside of the ring light as I do the iPhone. I positioned the tripod behind the ring light stand, and it worked great. And I'm just showing here how significantly this light brightens an otherwise dark and large room. Okay, that's it for today. There's a purchase link for this product in the description below. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. And if you didn't like this video, please like and subscribe. See what I did there? No, just kidding. Anyway, have a great day. Thanks for tuning in. So I was looking for a ring light for videography and came up with some, what do you think, buddy?